Hello everyone. I am Jalas from Edcast, and in today's session of automation, I will demonstrate by using OCR Engine Technology how I recognize and fetch the text from the image, and after that, I stored the specific text as per my credentials into the Excel sheet. So, this is about my project which I prepared so far in my POC. In the meanwhile, I will also demonstrate by scheduling the board through Orchestrator SaaS. But before using Orchestrator SaaS, we must have to create a token for bot runner, and through that token, we give authentication to the bot runner. So at first I demonstrate you the project quickly. After that, I will show you how I schedule the bot through Orchestrator. In the first phase of my POC, I convert the PDF to an image output path where I select the file type in PNG form, and after that I will select the from document processing path, and I will select the OCR Engine Technology, through which I selected the Google Cloud OCR Engine Technology where I recognize the image, and I selected the value to the variable to the I give the path of the value to the Google OCR content. After that, again use the from that OCR engine path. I selected the recognize template phase. Through that phase, I selected the image, and by that I selected the desired invoice number and my invoice date and my invoice company name and my total amount as per my credentials. So which I have to fetch it into the Excel sheet. So in the next way I selected from MS Excel phase, I selected the append row to Excel file where I selected the path of the desired location of the Excel sheet, through which I calculate a value of the particular invoice number and the date, company, the total amount. After that, I will launch the workflow through Orchestrator SaaS, which I have to schedule it by scheduling. Before I have installed the bot runner, and I have gone through it, I have installed the token also. I give the authentication to the bot runner, and then am going for scheduling the. I have also in the meanwhile I have also give the bot runner the authentication and the approval. Here you can see that my mode is ready, and after that I will go to the workflow where I selected the name as test case, and I have also go to the scheduling part by scheduling. Then I am scheduling the part. I selected the bot, and now I am scheduling by schedule type. I selected one time run and selected the date, today's date, and I am scheduling it for 9:53 a.m. So it's 9:50. I selected 9:54 a 53 a.m. Save. As you see, my bot has started running as per my scheduling. It has been, I will go to the page. It has been run successfully. It has been run successfully. As you see, I will also check you in the meanwhile in the Excel sheet. The bot has successfully fetched the data. You can see that. So this is all about my project. Thank you.